Welcome to the first step of your SEO content writing journey with Mak Blogs SEO content writing course. Hello and a warm welcome to this exciting course where I will be your guide from the expert team at makblogs.com. Today, we will provide you with an overview of what's in store and what makes MacBlog unique and how you can get started. In the upcoming lessons, you will explore the world of SEO content writing in depth. You will learn how to craft content that ranks high, captivate your audience, and leaves a lasting impact. MacBlogs isn't just a digital services provider, we are your partner in your journey towards success. Our team of experts is dedicated to your growth and success, and this course is designed to help you achieve just that. But first, let's take the first step together. By the end of this course, you will be armed with the powerful skills that can transform your online presence. Imagine your content at the top of search results, your audience hanging on to your every word, and your message making a real impact. You can make that vision a reality. Are you ready to participate in this exciting journey towards becoming skilled in SEO content writing? Share your excitement in the comments below and let's begin this transformation together. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our upcoming lessons. Thank you for choosing Mag Blogs as your guide to SEO content writing success. If you want to get our exceptional digital services such as SEO, content writing, and more, visit our website and contact us now.